And good morning, everyone. Let me double check my microphone. And sorry about that. And good morning, everyone. It's a very beautiful day. PSEI though very red yesterday, but yung attention natin na kay ISM tsaka kay PHA. So baka hindi natin na naramdaman ang pula ni PSEI yesterday. Siguro on our stocks, on some of our stocks, but we were pretty excited with the Senate hearing kahapon. So sobrang excited ko sa Senate hearing kahapon. I was watching it. Um, hindi ko napansin ang bounce at hindi ako nakapag-buy more at lumipad bigla si ISM. So congratulations sa mga nag-hold, especially sa mga bumili doon sa baba. That has been my recommendation from ever since. Just keep buying the dips. Pag bumaba po yan, bilhin nyo ng bilhin. Magbodega. And today is the day, right? Si UDENNA, si ISM, most probably ma-approve na and magiging UDENNA na sila. And then after today, they're gonna be processing the papers. Maybe there's gonna be suspension, but we'll talk more about that in a while. Yan, unahin ko po si excuse me. Unahin ko po si mga comments ninyo, and then we have recommendations for today if you wanna position for the stock market today. Medyo pula lang kahapon ng market kaya marami pong duguan. Even if pula si market yesterday, foreign buying is still here. Ang ganda pa rin ng foreign buying. So, guys, dapat hindi kayo magbebenta kaagad. Right, huwag kayo benta ng benta para umakyat yung market. Anyways, I can't stop you. Ang ganda kasi mag-take profits di ba? So, unahin natin. Yan, I'm gonna go to your comments really quick. One moment, please. And good morning everyone, and to my daughter Laika. Nanulfo first as my buntag coach and Laika. Good morning, Aldrin. M16. And annyeonghaseyo coach and to everyone. Good morning. From Korea to si Aldrin. Yan, sorry. Dina Angela, happy Thursday morning, Sir Lloyd, Laika, and Bidu. Cat lover ka rin pala. Right, mixed itong bahay namin. May cat, may dogs. And Joy, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Morning din. Jim 2013, good morning, sir. Good morning to Rachel and Uy. Agent Disaster. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Picor broke support. Let's sell na po ba and transfer to ISM? Picor, I won't recommend that. Si Picor, though nag-break naman ng support, my cut loss really is around negative 3%. So baka masayang naman at pag-cut loss kayo, lumipad naman yan kasi nasa support area pa yan. Guys, again, a little lesson here. Sige, this is a very good lesson. Alright, so this is Picor. Let me just turn off the volume of Picor. And then here. So this is the support of Picor right here. This area right here. Now support is 7.67, but support is not a price. Support is an area, right? So here I always cut loss negative 3 below support. So if we put negative 3 here, we're just at around negative 1% below support. So this is still an area of bounce pa yan, right? So this is the support area ni Picor. Ang kapal pa ng support area ni Picor. So wag po kayo matitinag. Don't cut your losses too near the support kasi pag ginawa nyo yan, this is the area that usually the prices bounce. So we're still at that okay area, right? Bearish lang ang market, walang pumapasok kahapon na investments kasi especially kahapon na attention kay PHA at saka ISM. So walang ganun pumapasok dito, yung iba na nainip at nagbenta na stocks nila. But overall, maliit na po nagbebenta. Konti na lang po ang nagbebenta at that area. So most probably, any volume that will come in, it will make this stock bounce. So don't cut too near. I won't recommend that, especially that si ISM out of medyo malayo na naman si RSM, malapit na naman sa resistance. So delikado if papasok mo ito. Baka mangyari sa inyo yung nangyari kahapon sa mga tao na nag-cut loss kay ISM, lumipat kay PHA. Nung nag-cut loss kay ISM, lumipad. Pinasok kay PHA, si PHA naman ang bumagsak. So, ingat dyan, right? So, yon nangyari yan sa mga newbies right? So, ingat dyan, Jim. No, not Jim. Agent Disaster, okay? Tristan Porcadas, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Sir, time to sell na po ba kay PHA? Salamat. Actually, kahapon, nag-sell half ako kay PHA sa natira ko. Konti na lang ang stocks na hawak ko. Even on my main port, try to open my port. And sabi ko sa inyo, ingat kayo sa pagpasok kasi magbebentahan na yung mga tao. Even me, nagbenta na ako kahapon. So, I'm at my last 25% na lang sa overall stocks ko na hawak kay PHA. So, nabenta ko po kahapon si PHA on this port. Yan, 20,000 stocks na lang ang tira dyan. On my main port, also 25% na lang. I think, time to sell. Time to sell na si, what do you call this? Time to sell na po si PHA. Right? Kasi, masyado mataas na. Right? Always remember that there is, tawag dyan, although we're looking at 3 to 5 pesos, it will take time. Hindi po siya diretso dyan. There will be a time na stock will be, after exaggerated movements, most especially, magpo-pull back yan, or does a consolidation. I'll open a paint about that. I'll make this visual for you guys. Right, so here we are here, 1 peso. 1 peso. This is our target, 5 pesos. Let's say, sige, 5 pesos. Hindi po dediretso yung stock na yan. Minsan, mag-exaggerated movement. That's just what's happening to PHA right now. Now, after these exaggerated movements, always expect, hindi naman always, but most of the time, after exaggerated movements, it will go back to its original uptrend line. Its original pathway to 5 pesos. So, after exaggerated movements like this, dalawa lang po pwede mangyari. It's either it's gonna pull back, which is a much faster correction, right? Or it's either gonna consolidate, move sideways back to its trend line. Then once it reaches there, aangat ulit yan. Aangat na ulit yan to its original pathway to that point. So, ang problema dito is if dito kayo pumapasok sa tuktok, pag pullback niyan, lugi kayo. So, if ever ginawa nyo yan, the best action is to buy more. Buy more. Right? Buy more here. Diba? Pero, I don't want to recommend buying here. Dito po kayo bumili sa trend line niya or consolidation here. Usually, I use MA20. It's just that doesn't usually happen na ganito nangyayari. Minsan, si Heaven, ginawa rin naman ito ni Heaven diba? So, ang mga tao, they thought it was gonna be like Heaven. Maybe it's gonna be looking like Heaven. Pero look at Heaven right here, right? So, let me open up my Bollinger Bands. Low chart layout. B bands. Heaven. Alright, so look at this right here. So, on Heaven's pathway to this climb right here, dito pa tayo ha. So, una pa, hindi nyo pa napansin ito. Look at that. So, this was Heaven's pathway to that level talaga. That was its pathway. Yan. All we need to do was follow MA20. Dito pa lang, look at this right here. So, unang akyat ni Heaven here. This is the first spike of Heaven. This is the consolidation. Consolidation ang nangyari sa kanya. Mind you guys, this is very big climb, right? From this MA20 bounce, this is 43%. And bumalik siya, nag-consolidate to the next MA20 before going up again. And then there it is, exaggerated movements. This time, nag-consolidate na siya before nagtuloy-tuloy. Consolidate again for nagtuloy-tuloy. This is good kasi consolidation ang nangyayari sa kanya. Minsan, pullback po ang nangyayari. Minsan, bumababa ito dito sa MA20 before siya magtuloy-tuloy going to this price right here. So, I hope naintindihan nyo po. It takes time for stock to move from this point to that point. So, huwag po kayo magmadali. This will usually happen. Wait for these opportunities bago kayo maghabol sa isang stock. Right? So, that is for PHA. Yan. So, konting ingat po. Baka pullback na po si PHA. Right? Asa na tayo? To answer Christian, I already sold half. I don't know if it's gonna go up. Actually, nag-sell half ako noon. Yung second day ng ceiling niya. Tapos ngayon, kahapon, nag-sell half ulit ako sa natira. So, I've already sold more or less 75% of the stocks that I'm holding. If it goes down at magmura ulit, I'm gonna be buying more. Joel Ligares, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning din. Joel, anong hanap mo? Ano na ba future natin dyan kay ISM? Sir, we'll talk about that in a while. Mga around 8:40 in the morning. Alright. Nga pala guys, a little request po. Paki-share po ang video. A little request from my end. I hope I've earned this request from you. Please share the video to your Facebook walls and to your trading groups, if you have any trading groups, para po mga newbies doon, malaman po nila na may program na ganito that will help them in their stock market journey. Yan. Asan na tayo? Let's go back. Addison C, good morning. Ronald Ray Tome, right? Good morning then. Clive Ivy Salinas, good morning Sir Lloyd og sa imong family. Good morning everyone. Good morning to you too, Clive. Rose Love Luzon, good morning. Jerson Orsal, maing buntag. Joy MPI CLC and EW po. Sir, please. Salamat. Right, so these stocks were kind of shaky yesterday kasi pangit ng takbo ng market. So, by the way guys, here are my recommendations for today. Lang ba? Hindi kasama sa MPI. Alright, so here are my recommendations for today. LPZ, VLL, MAC, or ito ba yung na-post ko? Let me double check my post. No. Iba yung na-post ko. Edit post. Mali yung na-copy-paste ko. So, these are my recommendations for today. LPZ, MAC, or ATN, PLC, ABSP, and VLL. So, you saw my post earlier. Yan, linagay ko sa comments guys. So, those are my picks for today. Pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. Good morning. Sino ba to? Edward. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Riyadh. KSA. Good morning sa inyo dyan. Liazi Macy. Alright. Dati ang basa ko dito, Lazy Macy. Liazi Macy, di ba pala? Good morning, Sir Lloyd, watching from Hong Kong. Alright, good morning sa inyo dyan. Good morning from Nazarene, Tokyo, Japan. Grace Nazarene. Si Sherwin, ISM to the moon, nag-hype ba sa Sherwin? Si ISM baka mag to the moon today. We can't really tell about the market. Yan guys, wag niyo pong iisipin yung to the moon na yan. That is not our goal in trading. Right? Pasok tayo sa isang stock because we believe on the developments that it's making. And then, if ever mag-ceiling man, then always treat that just as a bonus. Bonus lang yan. Right? Swerte natin yan pag nagsi-ceiling yan. Yung PHA, I consider that swerte lang just for being there. I don't really expect that. I do not expect the ceilings. Right? Sortihan lang yan sa mga naghanda talaga. So, that's not our purpose in getting in the stock. Right? Peter Meligrito, good morning everyone. UDENNA day. O nga, tama. Alright. Kasi ito guys minsan that was my before. I was chasing after ceilings. Hinahanap yung mga yan. I ended up ruining my trading strategy because you become too greedy, right? Whenever that happens, right? So, and then I matured as a trader, realized that yung mga ceiling na yan, swertihan lang yan, right? Sila ng ceiling ngayon, may opportunity dyan sa day trade, but as much as possible, do not chase that. Pag nangyari man yan, then swerte mo na, right? We were able to catch PHA's great movement the past few days. So, congratulations pa rin sa atin. Swerte natin yun. That was our bonus for the wait. Yan, di ba? Peter Malagrito, good morning. UDENNA day. Mark Maurice Angeles, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Aakyat na po ba si PHA? I can't really tell. The charts are telling me na magpo-pull back na yan, guys. So, I can't really tell. So, I will not be recommending PHA. If you notice, hindi ko na po nire-recommend si PHA. If ever gusto nyo pumasok dyan, intraday nyo na lang yan. Hanap kayo ng intraday movement for PHA. But if you don't know how to do that, huwag nyo na pong pipilitin. Marami pong iba dyan na magaganda. Folaika, good morning. Amiel Angelo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ISM. Ayan, excited na sa ISM ang mga tao. Neil Bersamin, good morning. Si Rico Sabado. Ganda parang DJ yung pangalan mo, Rico. Rico Sabado. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din, Rochelle Figueroa. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Good cut loss na po ba kay PIP? Thanks. Let's check this out kasi delikado yung mga positions nila. So, PIP, cut loss na po ba? Alright, let's check out PIP. Una, nasa support pa si PIP eh. This is the area where we said you buy PIP, di ba? We are still at that area. Depende kung saan ka bumili. If you use the MA20, kung dito ka bumili, dapat support mo sa MA20, cut loss mo is -3 from that area. Dapat dito at around this area nag-cut loss ka na. So when it breaks MA20, pero ang problema, the challenging part is you have a secondary support that is very near. PIP is still in that support. Hindi lang natin alam to kung kailan gagalaw talaga. So I won't recommend cutting losses kay PIP muna. Baka sa taas kayo nakabili, yun lang ang problema. But this is the reason why I always want you to get in near supports as much as possible. Meron tayong support at MA20 at this point. Then next one is andito pa yung main support natin. So we're still there. I think malakas naman ang support na ito eh. We already saw a divergence right here. Hindi pa lang siya gumagalaw. So upuan mo na yan. This is the reason why I want you to just test buy. Test buy lang muna kasi baka matagal pag gumalaw ang stock ninyo. Right? May buntag, Sir Lloyd from Delia Nieva. So yan, PIP, don't recommend cutting losses if ever dito naman kayo sa area na ito bumili. Right? Let me just remove these circles para hindi magulo. Kung dito naman kayo sa area na ito bumili, right, near the support, it's not yet cut loss levels. Pero kung doon kayo sa taas, yes, strong, wala eh, hindi pa kayo nakapag-cut loss, wag na lang kasi andyan na yung support. Amil, Angelo, Sir Lloyd, Annie, and Ali po. Si Annie, we recommended it the past few days. Kaso nga lang, nag-sell off kahapon. So, konting ingat kay Annie ha. But, ayun, daming nag-sell off kahapon. Nag-recover naman agad sa support niya. So, right now, we're waiting for Annie to bounce again before you wanna recommend that. But somehow, alarming itong drop na ito eh. Right? But you can see that marami pa rin nag-aabang kay Annie. When it dropped, binili ka agad ng mga tao. Nag-recover naman kaagad. So, that's somehow a good sign for Annie. So, medyo delicate lang yung position ni Annie today. So, konting ingat muna. Ali po, si ALI, it's showing us a support right here. So, hopefully, mag-support muna si Ali. Bollinger Band is telling me magsa-sideways pa si Ali. So, let me see if this is gonna be, gonna be stabilizing the next few days. Ito si Ali. Sorry about that. Yung screen. So, Ali showed us a good support right here. May bounce naman. So, if you wanna be aggressive with Ali, I think so. Yeah, bearish yung market kahapon pero green siya. So, that's something good for Ali. So, this might be a good support for ALI. You can see that demand is there. Ang ganda pa rin ng volume ni Ali. Excuse me, ang ingay ng mga aso ko. Alright. Hops, good morning, Sir Lloyd and mga ka-ISM. Today is the day. Hingi po ako ng inputs. One moment, please. Sara ko lang yung pintuan ko. Yan, nagkagulo na naman ang dogs ko kasi kinukulit na naman nila yung mga yung pusa namin. Right, Hops, good morning sa mga ka-ISM. Today's the day. Hingi po inputs kay PCOR, PH8, TUGS, and ATN. Alright, these down. Si ATN, andyan naman sa recommendations ko yan today. Kahapon actually, tsaka today. So, ATN has been showing us 2 good bounces. So, it's still good to go. Robert Anthony Tribiana. Hey, Sir Lloyd, insights niyo po about X. Si X, nagpansin na naman kahapon eh. Right? So, that's the thing. X did show us a good buy signal yesterday. It's just that I really don't recommend X because of my bias. But my bias could be wrong about a certain stock. But overall, sa trading ko, my bias has been serving me well. Alright, sorry. Ang ilong ko. Katina naman. Saan palahibo sa mga aso. So here, X did give us a good buy signal here. Itong dalawang ito. These are good buy signals, diba? So, but I did not recommend it because in trading bias ko, I don't like the fundamentals of X, but I could be wrong. Right? So there, si X, ang laki ng bounce kahapon. I don't want to recommend it again now kasi ngayon, medyo mataas na siya. If we wanna enter X, technical analysis wise, kung we're into technicals lang talaga, purely technicals, antayin nyo po mag higher low Pag nag-higher low yan, this will be your entry point for X. Right? Si Daisy, Jane, Cass, good morning Sir Lloyd, listening here in UP campus while waiting for bumaba biglang comments. While waiting for professor to arrive. Uy, ang galing ah. Right, that's very good. Good, keep it up, Daisy. Right? Well, student ka pa. It's good that you're learning this already. At least man lang. Ito guys, ituro niyo po sa mga kids ninyo. While they're still young, teach them about this. Teach them to shop companies instead. Instead of kahit ano-anong binibili nila. Right? Daisy, keep it up. SENS, kasi pag ano yan pag college nila, pag graduate ng mga yan, kung hindi nila alam about stock market, about investing, about saving, mabibigla yan sa pera nila. Hindi nila alam saan igagastos. Yan, nagpapa-cool kids na, and then ayun, gastos ng gastos sa labas, right? Teach them about this as early as now para pag college, pag trabaho nila, hindi sila mabigla sa pera, alam nila saan nila ilalagay. And then, because that becomes a habit. Ang problema niyan, if nasanay na sila na maggastos ng maggastos, ang hirap na for them na pumasok sa ganito, especially pag nabaon na sa utang yan. Right? Mas less likely na sila makapag-invest. San Ems, good morning coach, CNPF and AP please. Alright, so let's write these down, CNPF and AP. Alright, so Ms. Pa Villamor, good morning Sir Lloyd, di na ako naipit kay ISM CLC ha, salamat sa comment mo yesterday. Yun lang, I've been recommending just keep buying more. I tell you guys, ang daming nag-aabang dyan sa baba. Right? So, ayun, nagbitaw yung iba. Sinalo lang ng iba. Right? So, Joris Recto, good morning, sir. Chester Deo Saniza, good morning, Sir Lloyd. PHA and ISM lang hawak ko. Plan to sell PHA at 170. Baka hindi na umabot ng 170, ah. So, dapat nag-sell half na kayo kahapon. Baka hindi na abutan yung 170 mo. Consider selling half already kasi pula na siya ngayon. Et al. Publishing, hi sir, pwede po ba bumili sa CLC? Let's check out the chart of CLC. Malaki na ang bounce ni CLC kahapon sumama siya kay ISM. So let's see if pwede pa bang habulin, especially for position trade. For investing, yeah, maganda naman yung bounce. Russell Domdom, good morning. Sir Lloyd, baba pa po ba ang price ni ng now? Eto, hinahype pa rin ito hanggang ngayon walang tigil ang hype kay now Right, so the chart of now downtrend right? Somehow the price of now is showing us a downtrend, so pababa pa siya. We do have a support in this area, so it's showing us this. So, I think bababa pa siya. Maybe it's gonna reach this support. Let's see if this support will hold. Pero as of the moment, I think bababa pa si now. Especially na if lalakas na naman si ISM. Right? So, people are gonna get out of now. Especially mga investors. So, yeah. I think parang bababa pa si now. No offense sa mga now believers, mga now Ranyans. But, yeah. The chart is telling us bababa pa siya. At kahit si ISM, sinasabi ko naman if bababa pa si ISM Kung bababa, just keep buying more. Burnstorm TV Gaming, good morning sir. Good pa ba si Annie? Somehow the support held on yesterday, pero delikado yung kahapon, yung drop ni port line. Wait, naputol yung yung stream ko is the stream okay? And resume na. Right, nagka-problema sa stream ko. June De Lejero, good morning Sir Lloyd. PHR and MA. Alright, let's write these down. PHR and MA. Mama. Right. Yun. Stream has resumed. The Destroyer, good morning. John Allen De La Cruz, good morning sir. Pa-request naman ng Meg. STR and SCC. Thanks, si SCC is looking good. Yung chart niya naman. Kaso nga lang, for investment purposes, I'm shaky with SCC yan. Sinabi ni Cole din naman yan. Bumaba yung market prices ng coal right? So, ng coal, not ng coal. Ng coal. Ng coal. Coal. Ayan. So, SCC is into that. They have coal power plants which is nawawala na sa uso ang coal power plants. We're now heading towards renewable energy sources like solar, wind. So, yun po yung mga may potential pang lumaki na mga companies. So, part ng fundamentals checking natin is it in a growing industry? Coal power plants are not growing anymore. Yung mga renewable energy na po ang lumalaki ngayon. So, konting ingat dyan kay SEC. Dana Angela, Sir Lloyd, pareha tayo, hindi na rin nakabili kay ISM kahapon. Oo nga, na ano ako sa live stream ng ano kahapon. Right. UDENNA from Rockinson, Chanko, bullish day, Sir Lloyd. Hopefully, PSC Warzone. And si PSC Warzone, guys, you can go to his channel if you want a live stream. Pwede kayong mag-additional tab. There's a live stream for the projected price opening from PSC Warzone. So, check his channel out. While nanonood kayo ng daily grind, you can open, if you're using the PC naman, you can open a new window for that. Mike 16, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Hold po ba si PHA as a swing trader? No. Swing trader. I'll show you this, PHA. Alright, so this is a swing trader. I want to portray to you what a swing trader does. Right, so this is what a swing trader does. He takes advantage of a swing. Nope. And so this is a swing of a stock. This is a sideways swing. And then sometimes it forms an uptrend swing, diba? So this is the swing. This is one complete swing right here. This is called the swing high, and this is called the swing low. Right? So pataas ang swing high, pababa ang swing low. These are the points of the swing, the lowest point and the highest point of the swing, right? A swing trader positions himself. That's why I consider them as one. A swing trader positions himself on the start of a swing high. So this is another swing high. Once you see the stock bouncing, this is where you get in. And basically, in the theory of a swing trader is once it starts to start a swing low, that is where you sell, right? So buy here and sell here. So same here, buy, sell, buy, and sell. That's a swing trader, right? And now, let's check out the chart of PHA. Right, so here's the swing high, a little swing low. This is the buy area right here, and swing high, and then we're starting a swing low. This is a sell area. You should be selling your position already because of that. Right, that's the start of a swing low. So, benta natin yan. But sell half. Hindi natin alam, baka magtuloy-tuloy pa eh. So, just sell half there. Right, so that's for PHA. This is to answer Mike 16. Right, I hope you learned about that. Paul, Mark, Celeste, hi Sir Lloyd, sa members ng Billionaires Club, and syempre sa ISM holders, see you sa Feb 2, sir. Pasilip naman po ang URC, SEC, ATX, sir. Thanks. I'll write these down yet. I'll see you on Feb 2, Paul, Mark. Right, pasensya na guys. The seminar for Feb 2 is already full, so I really can't accept anymore. Marami pa ako na natatanggap na request na pwede pa bang sumali, Sir Lord. Sadly, 100 seats lang po ang babayaran ni eToro, the sponsor of our event. Ang mahal po ng entrance ng hotel. Ang mahal pala ng hotel dyan sa Manila, right? So, ayun, pasensya na hindi na po kami makatanggap ng any excess po. Don't worry, meron akong seminar next weekend. That's February 8 and 9, Friday and Saturday, 8 p.m. po. If you wanna join that instead, huwag niyo po sasayangin. I'll tell you guys, my students will tell you, sulit po ang seminar. You'll learn a lot in the seminar. 8 p.m. Send me a message if you wanna join that. Also, Dubai, February 15, Abu Dhabi, February 16, and Qatar, February 22. I'll see you there. I'm asking for your support po. Hopefully, supportahan niyo po ako and join the seminar. At the same time, win-win tayo. You are gonna be learning a lot. But let's sharpen your trading para ma-take advantage nyo po ang bullish market. Right? Sayang naman po if po naglalaro kayo sa stock market, hindi niyo po alam ginagawa niyo. Pinagpeperahan lang po kayo ng mga traders. Sayang, kaysa masayang yung pera niyo. Just invest it in yourself. Invest it in the seminar. Right? Benji, Loren, good morning. Sir, pakicheck po ni ECP. Ayan, si ECP. Right, sulat ko si ECP. It's 8:48 na pala. Bilis ng oras ha. Daldal ko. ECP. Alright, so first up guys, let's go to our discussion muna today. Ang topic natin ngayon is ISM. Before that, we want to thank our sponsors, 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. Please check them out. Ang ganda po ng platform ni 2Trade Asia. If you're looking for a broker, might wanna consider to trade Asia, especially sa mga casual traders like me na minsan-minsan hindi naman ako nakaupo talaga all the time sa computer. Minsan-minsan lumalabas ako ng bahay. So at least kahit nasa labas kayo, pwede nyo pong ibenta ang stocks ninyo, hindi po kayo maiipit, or you can also buy stocks while you're outside. Right? Also, our sponsor, isa sa mga sponsors natin, si eToro. Check out eToro, guys. Very good platform. I've been trading in my eToro already. Dito pagalingan talaga. Right? So, sabihin nyo sa dito makikita talaga ang ports ng mga tao, especially sa mga nagpapa-copy trade, right? You can do copy trading. You can copy my trades. I'm already earning around 3% in this trade, and I think oil is still gonna go up, right? So, you can trade on your own if you know how to trade, right? If ever hindi naman kayo marunong mag-trade at wala talaga kayong oras, check out eToro and just click on this area right here. Copy people, copy trading, right? Copy people, then look for traders. You can look at my profile. Makikita nyo po ang statistics ko. Let's try Ames Trader. I'm recommending this guy also. Ako, guys, is nagsa-start pa lang akong acclimate sa foreign market. So somehow we're doing well naman, right? I'm applying what I have learned sa stock market talaga sa PSE, and somehow we're doing well lately. Ito si Ames Trader, this guy, I'm recommending this. Ang kagandahan po ng eToro is when you look at a person, before you can copy him, you can see his stats. Yung statistics niya, look at this, 2018, isang pulang month lang. So if ever last year pa kayo kumukopya sa kanya, whatever he was earning, you were earning also. January, green na naman siya. He has 5,000 copiers, right? Risk average niya, very good risk score. Makikita niyo po yung port niya if you want to. Ang nasa Nasdaq lang siya ngayon. Like me, isa lang pinasukan ko, si oil lang pinasukan ko. So ito, makikita niyo po yung portfolio niya. Magkano hindi naman magkano linagay niya. Nag-short sell siya, ang galing. Nag-short sell siya, and then it's I think lost siya on this trade. But anyways, you can see the stats of the person, right? Napakaganda po ng copy trading. Just click on copy, and then trader cannot be copied, doesn't meet the requirements tinanggal siya. So hindi na siya makopy. I don't know why. Ako na lang i-copy ninyo. So you can see my stats. Makita niyo po yung stats ko for January, 2.53 tayo. Medyo pangit pa ako for October and November. Ito yung pagbagsak ng market kasi. But somehow, yan. I won't recommend me for now. I'll tell you guys, my port naman is it's public. You can always see my stats. I'm gonna be improving this year. This is one of my goals talaga, so that I can help other Filipinos talaga na di marunong mag-trade. I'm improving my stats here, doing my best to keep my stats up para po makapag-copy trade kayo sa akin. Kumikita tayo. Let's get rich together nga, diba? Di sabay-sabay na tayo sa eToro, diba? Whatever I'm earning, you're earning also. Anyways, that's our sponsor, eToro. Create an eToro using my link down at the video description. If gusto niyo po yung ganyan na platform na nagka-copy trade lang kayo, please use my link. That is gonna help me in return. Alright, so ISM, yung topic natin ngayon. Let me open Edge. Right, so may disclosure. Si ISM. Here we go. Tada! Ayan na naman mag-load ng ng Edge ko. This is usually my problem. I don't really know why. Nakakaproblema. May nag-recommend dati na gamitin ko daw si Firefox para hindi magka-problema. So somehow may problema yung ko. But today is the big day, right? Today is the big day. There's gonna be a what do you call this? SSM, Special Stockholders Meeting with regards to the backdoor plan of UDENNA. They've already taken over ISM, and mag-change na po sila ng name. Today is gonna be the final day of the decision. Once this is done, pa-process na po nila lahat, and we are gonna be welcoming, most probably ito yung mangyayari, ISM is gonna be masususpend muna. Hopefully nakapasok na kayo, kasi while the suspension is there, possibly UDENNA's real price, right, the market, yung mga reports nila, yung documents nila, it's gonna go public. And we are gonna see the numbers of UDENNA and their current projects. Lahat ng mga pwede nilang i-disclose na nila. So while it's suspended, these things are gonna go out. It's gonna be attracting many more investors. So most probably, pagbalik ni UDENNA, which is UHC na, ISM, goodbye ISM, by the way, thank you so much for the gains. Pag wala na si ISM, UHC na siya, UDENNA Holdings Corp. Pagbalik niya, baka mag-agawan ang mga tao. Kung hindi kayo pumasok, baka makipag-agawan pa kayo, right? So this is one of the most attractive stocks for this year, si UDENNA, right? So pasukin niyo po yan habang hanap na po kayo ng entry. I've been recommending this for how many days. Nang beses ko na po sinabi na just buy more on the dips, huwag po kayo matakot. And yesterday was a manifestation. Ang dami na naman natakot yesterday. Senate hearing yesterday, results kahapon. Senator po, the head of the committee for this about UDENNA, it was nice, right? Ang daming mga conspiracy theories na pumapel lang sila kasi in the end, ang ganda naman ng decision. It was in favor of the third telco, in favor in a way that sabi po nila na the franchise is okay. Magtutuloy po ang UDENNA, and bonus, they're gonna be updating the law about the franchises to protect UDENNA. So hindi po nila ika-cancel ang franchise. Instead, they're gonna give UDENNA adjustments para po makomply nila yung kulang nila, and so that yung mga future franchises then they will comply to it. So wala pong ika-cancel na franchise. They're gonna be adjusting the law, making a new law so that to protect UDENNA in future issues sa franchise niya. So that's good for UDENNA. That's good for Ms. Latel. That's good for the third telco overall. Kaya po kahapon lumipad si third telco. So it was a very good result of the hearing. Congratulations sa mga nag-buy more. Let me see if you have any questions about this. Ilan days po makaka-cancel? Ilan days kaya after meetings bago sila ma-halt? I can't really tell, right? Antay lang tayo ng mga antay lang tayo ng disclosure. But I guess with the big developments of UDENNA, I think they're gonna make this fast. So baka nga next week mag-halt na kaagad eh. So konti ingat. Sell on news po ba yan, sir? Kay PHA, kay ISM? Is this for ISM? This is from Ryan. Sell on news ba sa ISM? Let them sell. If they sell, then I'm just gonna be buying more, right? But it eventually opens. Just take some time. Same issue here, opening edge. I see. Okay. So yeah, it takes some time. Ganun nga talaga siguro si edge. Yun. So I can open edge now. Ayun. Thank you. Okay na. Dapat ino-open ko na pala si edge first in advance. I'm not really sure if my stream is good. Medyo blurred ba? Right. Kahapon, today, may linabas na nga today. This is just for ownership reports. Public ownership report, changes in ownerships. Yun lang naman lumalabas ngayon. So I have a friend of mine, shout out to that friend. I don't know if gusto niya magpasabi. He's gonna be joining the SSM later. So he's gonna be giving me live updates. Abangan niyo po sa Billionaires Club. I'm gonna be updating you ano po ang mga changes, ano po ang mga developments sa SSM mamaya. Right? Good morning, sir. 2 billion ISM to 75 billion USG. What will happen to our present shares? Ganun pa rin, right? Nothing will happen to your present shares. The price will be the same to the price will be the same naman, right? And then in the future, most probably kasi kailangan nilang idagdagan yung public float. So most probably they're gonna be selling more shares, but I think they're gonna be selling it expensive. Syempre. Ryan King Kosa, you're welcome. Marilu Pasha, okay po ba mag-buy today ng ISM for long term? If you're in it for long term, you don't really care about the technical analysis, right? So just, if hindi pa kayo naka-buy, just do test buy. Test buy lang. If for example, you have 100k budget for ISM, siguro if you kung kaya ng emotions ni 50k, i-test buy nyo po yung 50k, and then if it goes down, you just buy more 50k para yung average nyo bumaba, you get more stocks just in case na, kasi baka lumipad so baka lumipad, at least nakapasok na kayo ng 50k dyan. For long term, you don't really care about the technical analysis, just get in, right? This is how sir, how about Pal? Thanks po, maganda naman si Pal, so nga lang nagka-sell on news, diba? Kim James, Sir Lloyd, baka pwede ka makagawa ng way or service for PSEI na gaya ng copy trade sa eToro para gains mo, gain din namin like gain mo sa PHA. Ang problema kasi niyan sa copy trading, if you put it in PSE, what if sobrang dami na nagka-copy trade sa akin. For example, let's say the funds is worth already around 5 million. So, sobrang gusto dami ng mag-copy trade. Kahit yung viewers natin ngayon, we are at 893 viewers. Pag nag-copy trade sa akin yan ng tig 50,000 lang, ang laki ng pera na yan, right? So, what if mag-cut loss ako, lahat ng mga naka-copy trade sa akin magka-cut loss, babagsak ang stock, right? So, delikado yan sa PSE. So, the best I can do really is, I always update people in the chat room. Siguro this is the best thing na lang siguro. Open your Discord, and sa mga hindi pa naka-join ng Discord, guys, this is called the Discord application. Download it and join our chat room, right? If you search for it, sell PHA. This is from me. Kahapon, I did sell PHA, right? And then I always tell people if lalabas na ako. So I told them labas na ako at 1.73, so I was able to sell at PHA 1.73. Whenever I buy something, I always tell people also that I'm buying this, that. So, nalalaman po ng mga tao. Siguro this is the best for now. Just join the chat room if you haven't joined the chat room yet. This is a very helpful chat room. And dito yung main chat room. Dito yung mga makukulit, mga traders talaga. Kung hindi nyo po kaya ang mga kulitan ng traders, you can just go to the main chat room. Mas healthier dito. mas livelier dito, pero ang gulo. Right? Kung ayaw yung gulo, just go to the main chat room. And then we have an investors lounge. This is for purely investing purposes na chat room. And then we have charting discussions. If you have any request for charting, meron po, ang dami pong tumutulong dito sa charting discussions. Right? So, nakakatulong po dito. And daily recommendations ko po, makikita nyo rin po dito. Right? And yan, we have books and PDFs here on this channel. So this is gonna be very helpful for you newbies. This is the service we are doing for everyone. This is a healthy community. Join this. Please join this. This is gonna be very helpful for you newbies, right? Yung invitation link ng Discord, once you download the Discord, go to the video description. Meron dyan Discord group. Just click on the group and then makapasok po kayo kaagad. Right? So, yan. Yan lang muna for now. Anong name ng application chat room, sir? This is Discord. I'm gonna post this in the chat room na lang. Discord po. Ano pong name ng application? Sir, paano mag-join sa Discord mo? Dyan sa video description. Merong video description sa baba. I don't know if it shows up on the mobile. Pero if ever PC ang gamit nyo, puntahan nyo lang po yung mga daily grind videos. Go to the video description. I'm just gonna post it here. Why not? Diba? Lagay ko na lang yung link dito ng Discord group. Yan. So, this is the Discord group link. Sorry. Kati talaga ng notes ko. Ayaw magpahuli. Alright, so this is the Discord group. Ayan, so that's the link of the Discord group. If you click on that, if you already have Discord, pag-click mo dyan, automatically po makapasok kayo sa group natin. So, yon. It's already 9:02, so it's time to open up our nope, not that. Stocks, no, not that. Punta tayo sa projected opening ni ISM. Let's see, 6.38. Yesterday it closed at 6.29. It's gonna be opening higher today. So, pero hindi naman gaano kalaki ang volume. So, somehow, this is good for ISM. We are already seeing wala nang selling pressure gaano for ISM. So, this is gonna be a very good opening sa ISM. Thank you so much sa 935 viewers. And sir, yung Discord chat room ba pwede sa phone or Android app? Yes, definitely. Pwede sa Android app. Sir, paano malaman yung opening price tsaka paano masasabi kung gap up or gap down yung price stock sa araw na yun? For example, here, Dom. Right, so this right here, this is the projected opening, 6.39. It closed yesterday at 6.29. So meaning magagap up siya ngayon ng 10 points, 6.29 to 6.39. Magagap up yan kasi people want to buy it at a higher price. Meron tayong 9.43. May gustong bumili at 9.43. Ayan. So, asan na yan? So, yun yung cost ng nagagap up. Right? Asan na yan? Yung may question. Di ba po 24 billion shares ang magiging available kapag naging UDENNA na? Right? It's not gonna be readily available. It's still with UDENNA but they will have to sell it to the public. Most probably mag-offer sila. I don't think diretso lang i-offer yan sa public kaagad. Right? And they're gonna be making the price good. Hindi naman pressure kaagad yan na kailangan ibenta kaagad nila. So, it's the prices are gonna be so much. The number of stocks is gonna be a lot. But if UDENNA shows us good numbers naman and good projects na promises nila, for sure mabebenta kaagad yan, mag-FOO yan sila. Now, the question is, ito yung isa sa mga natatakutan ng mga tao. Paano po pag mag-follow on offering sila, magbenta, di ba dumadami po ang number of stocks? Yes, it can happen, dumadami ang number of stocks, but mind you guys, they don't the question is how much are they gonna sell it? Yan. That's the question mark. What if they sell it at 10 pesos, 9 pesos? What if they sell it at 8 pesos? We don't really know. Right? For sure, they won't sell it lower. Bakit nila ibebenta ng mura? Ang ganda kaya ng UDENNA ngayon, in demand sila. So, if I'm the Nisui, why am I gonna sell it lower? Diba? We don't know what price they're gonna be selling it. And for sure, marami po mag-i-invest dyan. Right? This is how businessmen work. So, don't worry about those 24 billion shares na lalabas nila. Charles Ma, good morning. Benedict Sio Kim, ano po mangyayari kay ISM pag naging UDENNA na? Most probably, aakyat na sila. Gano'n katagal mag-halt ang ISM? We don't really know. By the books of PSE, 180 days daw. So, 180 days, ang dami pong pwede mangyari na maganda or pangit. So, we don't really know. Pero I don't think it's gonna reach 180 days, especially if mabilis naman yung processing nila. Right, so, sir, yung online seminar, 2 days separate sessions ba yan? Yeah, 2 days separate sessions siya. They're not the same sessions, part 1 and part 2 yan. It's because it's a workshop. Meron po activities that I will give you on the first day and we're gonna check your activities on the second day. Right, may activity ako to improve your stock picks, how you enter. Yan, may activity dyan sa seminar kasi. That's why it is 2 days yung workshop. Zigward, daming viewers mo, Sir Lord. Congrats, thank you so much. Thank you so much for viewing. Zigward Cabarubias, daming viewers. Ayun, hindi po ba fake yan? Fake pa yan? Ito yan, it can be fake. The thing about this is, ito yung question niya. Are these fake bids or not? I don't think so kasi maliliit lang naman yung numbers of stocks na binibili nila and marami naman nag-order. So now it's at 6.40 but we can't really tell. Meron dyan may fake bids, meron ding hindi naman fake bids. Right? Baka fake bids sa buying, baka fake bids sa selling. We can't really tell. We have to, this is why I don't want you to be aggressive in entering una. Right? We have a lesson about amateur hours. This is the amateur hour. The stock is gonna be very volatile and the first hour most especially. So 9:30 to 10:30, I usually wait for the stock to stabilize before I wanna get in. Ayoko pong pumasok at 9:30 to 10:30 except na lang kung meron talagang napakagandang balita sa isang company. Right? So, yun. Good morning, boss. LPZ. LPZ is in my recommendations for today. Ano po projected price ni ISM? Projected price ni ISM is 6.40. Si PHA naman is 1.71. May nagbid ng 5 million. So, most probably, this is at 1.90. So, most probably, this is a fake bid. 5 million. at 1.90. I don't see bakit nyo gagawin yan. But with the projected price of opening ni PHA is gonna be at 1.71. So medyo mataas, that's good. But I think this is a fake bid instead, right? So konting ingat dyan. Sir, is the seminar recorded? Pwede po ba siya ma-access after schedule for review? Yes, it is. Huwag nyo lang po i-share. Kating, saan nanggaling fake bids, Sir Lloyd? Saan nanggagaling ang fake bids? If you have money sa portfolio ninyo, if you have extra cash, for example, you have 5 million in your port, you can always do fake bids, di ba? Mag-send ka ng buy order and then i-cancel mo lang, malapit na yung oras na pagbili. Especially, eto guys, I want you to be aware of this. 9099. I want you to be aware of this. There is somehow, ito yun, sinasabi, may mga nagna-manipulate po dyan sa stocks na yan. Actually, institutions can do that. Right? Institutions can do that. Ang kagandahan kasi ng mga institutions is they have unlimited funds. Right? Meron siyang lang 100 million nga na bond with PSE. Consumable yan. I mean, yeah, consumable yan. So, with that 100 million, initial pa lang yan, ha? They can always send an order. For example, gusto ko pong umakyat itong stock na ito. Right? Gusto kong umakyat ang stock na ito. So, I'm gonna be putting buying pressure in this stock. Ano ba yung buying pressure? For example, like this one right here. For example, this guy is posting a buy at 5 million at 1.90. Diba? So, meaning, siya mauuna. And then, the stock is gonna jump to 1.90. In this case, 1.70. So, ako, na maliit lang naman ang binibili ko at gusto ko talagang bumili sa stock na ito, may 5 million na nanuna sa akin. So, most probably, hindi ako makakabili dyan. So, para makapasok ka agad ako, taasan ko na lang ang bid ko dito sa taong ito. That is the buying pressure that these institutions can put. Right? For example, pag open ang market, ang presyo is 1.70, they're gonna put a big buying at around 6.65. So pag nakita ng mga tao yun, hula, itong kumpanya, itong institution na ito, nagbubodega, they want to buy at this price na napakalaki, 1.65. Ikaw na gusto mong pumasok sa stock, uunahan mo sila, wala kang choice. Ang laki ng buying nila 1.65 eh. So you buy it at 1.66. Ikaw lang yon. What if the others want to do that also, 1.66? So, dumadami na yung buyer sa 1.66. So, other people now, pag tingin nila ang laki ng buying doon sa dalawang yon, doon ako sa 1.67. Right? That's the buying pressure effect. So, kaya umaakyat. Kaya nila i-manipulate that way. Also, at selling, kung gusto nilang bumagsak ang isang stock, for example, the selling is 1.50, andyan pa tayo sa 1.50 na presyo, they're gonna sell their stock at around 1.58 or 1.59, 1.60. Bebentahan nila na napakaraming stocks yan, ipapakita nila yan. Magbebenta sila ng 1 million stocks, 5 million stocks. What this creates is, may nagbebenta at 1.60. Kung 1.61 ko ibebenta, hindi ako makabenta. May 5 million kaya doon, 'di ba? Or kung 160 ilalagay ko, hindi rin ako makabenta, nauna na sila. So hindi ko mabebenta at 1.60. So I have no choice. If I want to sell it, unahan ko sila. I submit it at 1.59. So maraming nakatingin sa 1.59. Tapos lalaki yung numbers dyan, yung as volume dyan. So yung iba naman, walang choice. Ang laki ng 1.59, bebenta lang 1.58, and that's the effect kaya bumabagsak ka isang stock. So, institutions can manipulate the market like that. So, I hope you're aware of that. Alright, so, Mark Jones, projected opening is 1.59. Tingnan natin. Tingnan nyo, nawala na yung bid kanina na napakalaki. 'Di ba? So, those are fake bids. ISM, 6.40 ang opening pa rin ni ISM. So, that's good. I don't think these are fake bids kasi maliliit lang naman at maraming bidders. So, yan. 9:15 to check the real bid and ask. Alright, that's good. So, yung oras natin is 9:13. I want to go to my recommendations first. Number 1 ngayon, one of my favorite recommendations. If you're gonna ask me ano paborito mong recommendation ngayon, Sir Lloyd, I'm gonna go with Lopez. Right, Lopez, MA20 bounce. MA20 bounce, massive volume on that bounce. So I think Lopez magtutuloy-tuloy na ito. This is the perfect entry point. Ni-recommend ko si Lopez at this area right here. We have that volume here. And then there it is. Umakyat na si Lopez. That was a very big win actually. From here to there. Here. Umabot ng 60% yan. Now, it's now pulling back. MA20 bounce with good volume on that bounce. This is good. LPZ po. Recommendation ko today. Doesn't mean na tama ako. Just cut your losses -3 below support. So around that area. Please ready your cut loss lang. Alright? So but Lopez, guys, I'm recommending Lopez for today. Sayang yung pullback na yan. It's looking very well. Si Mac naman, good volume yesterday. Nag-breakout siya. So I'm recommending a breakout strategy kay Mac. Very good volume yesterday. So I think this is gonna sustain the breakout. Use a breakout strategy for Macro Asia. Next for Mac is OR naman. I'm recommending OR today. We have a good support for OR right here. So we are at that area already. So OR po, buy as long as that support holds. ATN. Yan, si ATN, dalawang bounce ang pinakita na ni ATN sa atin. Very good confirmation of this support. So pasukin nyo na po yan. Right? Habang maaga pa. Alright, so ATN and then PLC. Recommending PLC today. It's sustaining the MA20 bounce. Alright, so far so good. Kaso nga lang, this is the second bounce already. Kind of shaky kay PLC. But somehow it's showing us good signal naman, good price action. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy siya. If you wanna bet on PLC, use the MA20. Just cut loss below that. Hindi porket sinabi ni Sir Lloyd yan, na stock na yan, lilipad talaga yan. No, right? ABSP also. And ABSP, MA20 bounce confirmation after Bollinger Band trigger. It's time to get in, right? Get in your support as much as you can, but ABSP is already very good. Next up is VLL. Lastly, some recommendations ko si VLL. Alright, VLL, after that consolidation, ayan, meron na tayong MA20 bounce. This just confirmed the MA20 bounce. Good volume already on that consolidation. So we have volume for the stock. This is good, MA20 bounce. Hopefully mag-sustain. If ever you want more confirmation, antayin nyo po mag-green. Pwede nyo i-end of the day ito. As long as maliit pang risk niyo, pwede nyo pasukan yan si VLL. So those are my picks for today. For position trade, ito guys, this is our not for long term. Position trade lang muna ito. Alright, so asa na ako? Shells DV, will the halt they make the price go down? What is more probable? It will go up or down. Thanks. This is from Shells DV. Ito guys, it might go down kasi baka mag-take profits ng mga tao. Ayaw nilang intayin yung kailan matatapos yung halt. But ang magsasell lang dyan is ang mga chupitero. I am not recommending ISM for position trade, anything like that for trading. I'm recommending it for long term. So, kahit na magbentahan yung mga yan, you should be happy. Just buy more if ever it goes down. Don't worry about the movement of ISM. Huwag po kayo mag-alala sa mga movements na yan. The thing is, if ever babagsak yan and you become uncomfortable, that means you're not comfortable with the amount you're putting. Bawasan nyo po ang stocks ninyo until to a point na komportable na kayo sa makikita nyong loss. Kasi minsan, I talked to someone yesterday, he has substantial amount sa ISM. It's making him uncomfortable. Kasi kahapon, right, I've already started my free portfolio consultation, guys, diba? So, kahapon may nakausap ako ng someone. I'm just gonna share the lesson. May hawak siya na mga around almost 300,000, right? The movement of the stock is making him uncomfortable. He was asking me na, sure, right, ibenta ko na kaya itong ISM ko or hindi? Nag-gain kahapon. Pero kahapon bumagsak. Just 1% na galaw ni ISM, he will lose 3,000 pesos already. So, he was really uncomfortable with the situation, with the position. So, I told him, ganito yan. Bawasan mo ang position because this means that you're not yet confident with the amount. Right? Just put in an amount that you are comfortable with para kung gumalaw yan, hindi ka na matataranta. So that was one of my lesson of my free consultation. Free consultation is still ongoing. Send me a message para magawan ko po kayo ng schedule. Right? We can make a schedule for the free consultation. Libre lang po yung consultation ko. Kaya po, nga pala, if you wanna help the channel in return, kung gusto niyo po mag-donate sa channel, this will help me continue the programs that I have. Please consider doing super chat. Yan po yung $ sa tabi ng smiley sa chat room natin. That will help the channel, and in return any amount will greatly help in our cause. Right, Oscar 1.17 na PHA projected kay now. Right, so those are my picks. We still have time for the request ng mga tao. Let's go to the request. MPI, and si MPI still good, holding the MA20. Hindi ko lang na-recommend ngayon kasi pula siya yesterday. I'm gonna wait for another confirmation before I wanna recommend that. CLC, may question kay CLC. This is an engulfing pattern. I want CLC to stabilize first and make another support, a higher low support. That's a confirmation that this is gonna be a good bounce recovery for CLC. So antayin muna natin yung higher low ni CLC kasi medyo mataas na yung risk natin dyan. Hirap pasukin dyan, especially for position trade. East-West, yes, East-West somehow is making a good support right here. So this support is sustaining right here. So get in near this support if you want to kay East-West, just in case if it collapses, just sell your position. For I will not recommend East-West for long-term, just position trade. That's the best position for East-West if you are into East-West. Next up is PCOR. And si PCOR, guys, I told you earlier, nasa support area pa si PCOR, though nag-break siya ng support. It did trigger the lower Bollinger Band, sa konting ingat. Mamaya na kayo mag-cut loss -3 below support kasi baka mag-recover din naman kaagad yan. We have good volume for PCOR. Right, so konting ingat with the position. You might need to cut loss anytime soon. So bantayan nyo po. PHA, I don't want to recommend that. That's a sell signal right there. So, konting ingat kay PHA. We talked about that. Ang pwede yung position po dyan. I could be wrong kasi baka magtuloy-tuloy pa yan sa pag-akyat. Tingnan nga natin si PHA ulit today. PHA's projected opening is at around 1.58. So, that's lesser than its current price yesterday. So, I think magtuloy-tuloy pa ito nung pag-sell si PHA. So, magte-take profits ng mga tao dyan, guys. I tell you, when people are celebrating, that's a sell signal. Ayan, sell signal. Yun na pong habulin yan. Next up kay PHA is Tugs. Right, Tugs. Right, si Tugs, ayan, nagbumaba si Tugs. Right, we collapsed. Tugs collapsed the support. The main support was right here. And then, andito na si Tugs ngayon. So, 2.87. I will not be recommending tags as of the moment. If you need to cut your losses, pag na-hit na yung cut loss nyo, just cut your loss before, just cut your losses if in case. Pero I think hinila lang namin to ng red market. Hindi siya nakapag-Bollinger Band trigger talaga. So I think this is still okay. Antayin nyo po yung bounce ni Tugs. Let's see what happens. What will happen if ever mag-sustain siya sa support niya. Right? So Tugs is not a buy for today. ATN. X naman, si X medyo mataas na po yan, guys. Yan, we talked about that. We just wait for the next retracement and bounce before you wanna get in X. CHPF. I'm not really sure ano ito. Is that CHP? Right, CHP. So CHP, guys, we are at resistance levels. I don't want to recommend CHP. I really haven't seen the fundamentals of CHP yet, but Cole is saying it's okay. So if you want to get in, buy the breakout. Pag nang-sustain yung breakout, that will be a good entry point for CHP, right? So CHP, wait for the breakout. AP, and si AP naman, Ayala, Aboitiz Power, Aboitiz Power, simple as following the MA20 bounce, MA20 bounce, MA20 bounce. There you go. So you know where to wait for it. Antayin nyo po sa MA20 yan for your entry point kay AP. That is your uptrend line. CLC, we talked about CLC already. PHR, eto si PHR. I was contemplating on PHR kasi I think this is still gonna go up in the future, but somehow it's playing below MA20 na kasi. So I think this is gonna stabilize first before it's gonna go up. I want it to stabilize first. Napaka-volatile kasi ng movement yan. Delikado yung mga ganyan. Maraming naipit dito, so most probably people are gonna be scared in buying PHR. So I can't really tell if this is gonna go up or not, right? I really want it to stabilize first. I will want to have a good base point before I want to enter PHR. Right, so PHR, asan na ako? PHR MA, and si MA, na-recommend natin yan, one of the dito sa support noon. Somehow MA is showing as a lower high, so this is a descending triangle. So I'm waiting for MA to break out from this before we want to get in. So any breakout, that will be our entry points. As of the moment, medyo bearish pa siya. Kumustahin natin si ISM sa opening niya. ISM, projected price ni ISM is at 6.44 ang projected opening ni ISM. So I guess this is gonna be very good. I hope nakapasok na po kay ISM. Ito yung problema kung hindi kayo pumasok noon. Makikipaghabulan kayo sa gap up na yan. So delikado yan. Right? So but then again, ISM is gonna be capping up today. I guess ISM, this is a good day for ISM. Congratulations sa mga ISM holders. Saan na ako? URC, SCC, MEG, STR. Meg. Ito si Meg. Ito rin. Maganda na naman to si Meg. Let's go for Meg. This is the reason why I don't really want to recommend stocks nga. Medyo nasa taas na. Right, we talked about Meg. Dito, we were looking for positions here. But right now, Meg is already too high. Kaya nag-stop na yung uptrend niya. It's still on its uptrend line. Well on its uptrend line right here. So, hopefully, that is where the stock will bounce, right? Pag nag-bounce yan dyan, pwede nyo po i-test yan, yung pulang linya na yan. And then, use this as your support. Pag na-break yung support na yan, just cut your losses for Meg. Nakairita yung mga fake bid niya. O nga totoo yan. This is from 3D Printwiz. Wala tayong magagawa. The market does what it wants to do. Fake bid is part of the place ng mga malalaking institutions. So, all we need to do is adjust, right? If mairita ka dyan, it's just gonna ruin your trading strategy. So, wag mo na isipin yan. Kaya nga, iwas na lang, just so to be safe, antayin nyo lang po mga 10:30 before you wanna decide to get in or not. Next kay Meg is STR. There's a question about STR. Guys, it's 9:24. So, mga last, tapusin ko lang itong mga naunang nag-request. Right? Si STR naman, broke MA20. So, I guess this is gonna do a sideways movement for now. I don't wanna really be aggressive kay STR. Haven't seen any development naman kay STR lately. So, I don't wanna recommend STR. So, SCC somehow is forming a support. Alright, so, forming a support. This is a higher low. This is support right here. Kaso nga lang guys, si Call Financial, they downgraded SCC. And you know, Call Financial's hatak nila sa isang stock. So baka bumagsak ito si SCC. Don't wanna recommend SCC. Yeah. Next is 80. And last lang si 80. Atlas, diba? Sa 80 yan. Atlas consolidated. We're seeing lower highs for the stock. So, konting ingat lang. There's an uptrend line right here. So, you might wanna test that there kung gusto nyo pong pumasok kay 80. Sa uptrend line niya lang. Right? Let's see. Mag-bounce siya sa uptrend line niya. Wala na rin akong boses. So, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully, I'm gonna be updating you guys ano mangyayari sa SSM ng ISM later. Right? Special stockholders meeting. Tututukan po natin yan. As always, let's get rich together. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Nga pala, February 15, Dubai, February 16, Abu Dhabi, and February 22 sa Qatar. So, send me a message po sa Facebook page ko, Financial Freedom 101, if you want to join that. So, I can give you the registration details. Bye-bye po.